Hello, my name is Dominic Licavoli and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be changing out the cabin air filter in my 2018 Chevy Bolt Premier. Don't go away because at the end of the video I'm going to have some tips on how you can save money on maintaining your Chevy Bolt. Okay, the cabin air filter is located behind the glove box, and in order to get to it, what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to use a pair of pliers, channel locks, whatever you got, needle nose pliers, to squeeze these two things together and then pop this piston out. Okay, so we're going to squeeze lightly here and then just force this bottom part out. So now this will be out here. Then you're going to remove this out here. And up under here is where your cabin air filter is. So you're going to squeeze those two together, open it up. This is your cabin air filter right here. And then you're just going to move it out like so. And as you can see, this is pretty dirty. It's been in there for about 7,500 miles, and so we're going to go ahead and change it out with the new one. Now I'm going to be using for this, what I'm going to be using is the EcoGuard cabin air filter. I get it on Amazon. It's a little over $16 in the package. So you're going to remove the filter from its package here. The airflow up. So put it in. The airflow is going to be coming down. So I'm going to go ahead and place this in the slot. There. Okay, now that we've secured the cabin air filter in its container, what we're going to do is we're going to put the plastic cover back on. So the plastic cover, the left side of it's going to attach right in there. You're going to stick the one little piece on the edge of that cover in there, and that's going to be this edge right here. This edge right here is going to go inside that little notch, and then this end right here is going to snap into place right in here. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to slide it right up in there in that notch, and then we're going to place those clips right where it attaches at this end, and then snap them in place and then check to make sure it's secure. Then we're going to close the glove box to the point to where it won't fall open, and then we're going to attach this stem right back to the device right here on the glove box, and just snaps right back in. And there you go. The Chevy Bolt is very easy to maintain and requires very little maintenance. It only requires tire rotations every 7,500 miles and cabin air filter changes every 15,000 miles. However, you can still save a lot of money yourself by following these tips. One, when it comes time to replace your tires, make sure you have them replaced by a tire shop that will give you free tire rotations. And then two, change out the cabin air filter yourself. The Chevy dealership wants $89.95 to change out this cabin air filter,
and I did it for only $16 and about 70 some cents. The link's in the description below that shows you where I purchased it at Amazon. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel. We'll see you later. Have a great day.